How to improve iPhone battery health. Is your iPhone battery draining fast? Want to keep your battery healthy for as long as possible? In this video, I'll show you the best settings and habits to improve your iPhone's battery health. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Battery. Scroll down and tap Battery to access your battery settings. Step 3. Open Battery Health and Charging. Now tap Battery Health and Charging. Here you can see your battery's maximum capacity and other battery-related options. Step 4. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging. Make sure Optimized Battery Charging is turned on. This helps reduce battery aging by learning your charging routine and delaying charging past 80% until you need it. Step 5. Enable Clean Energy Charging. If you see Clean Energy Charging, turn it on. This feature can reduce environmental impact by charging when cleaner energy is available in supported regions. Step 6. Use Low Power Mode when needed. Go back to the battery settings and turn on Low Power Mode whenever your battery is running low. This reduces background activity and helps your battery last longer. Step 7. Keep iOS updated. Open Settings General Software Update and install the latest iOS version. Updates often include battery performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 8. Reduce background activity. Open Background App Refresh and disable it for apps that don't need to update in the background. This can improve battery life throughout the day. Step 9. Manage Location Services. Go to Privacy and Security Location Services and limit location access for apps that don't need it. This reduces unnecessary battery usage. Step 10. Check your battery health. Finally, return to Battery Health and Charging and check your maximum capacity. Remember, no app or trick can increase this percentage once it has decreased. The only way to restore battery health to 100% is by replacing the battery. And that's it. These simple settings and habits can help your iPhone battery stay healthy and last longer over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another helpful iPhone tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.